Want to invest in the Indian stock market but don't know where to begin? Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone just curious about building wealth, this video is your step-by-step guide to start investing in 2025. Let's make your money work for you. Welcome to Money Mosaic, your trusted place to learn about money, finance, and investing. If you want to take control of your finances and grow your wealth, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay updated. The Indian stock market is where buyers and sellers trade shares of listed companies. The two major exchanges are the Bombay Stock Exchange, or BSE, and the National Stock Exchange, or NSE. When you buy a stock, you become a part owner of that company. Popular companies like Reliance, TCS, and Infosys are listed here. To begin investing, you need two things. First, a Demat and trading account, easily available through platforms like Zerodha, Grow, or Upstocks. Second, a linked bank account for adding or withdrawing funds. The best part, you can start investing with as little as 100 rupees. Yes, that's all it takes to get started on your journey to financial growth. If you're just starting out, don't worry about picking individual stocks. Begin with, check large cap stocks like HDFC Bank, Reliance, and Infosys. These are stable and reliable. Index funds like Nifty 50 or Sensex ETFs. They're safe and give long-term returns. Dividend-paying stocks like ITC and Hindustan Unilever. They offer passive income every year. Many beginners lose money because of avoidable mistakes. Don't invest based on WhatsApp or YouTube tips without research. Avoid intraday trading if you're not experienced. Don't panic when markets fall. It's a normal part of investing. Instead, focus on long-term goals. Wealth builds slowly but surely. Follow the rule of SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. Invest a fixed amount every month in index funds or mutual funds. This builds discipline and takes advantage of market dips automatically. Now that you know the basics, tell me in the comments, which stock or fund are you planning to invest in first? Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Money Mosaic for more simplified finance tips. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep investing, and remember, your journey to wealth begins with your